Hey guys, I'm going to be talking to you guys about these products, and I'm going to actually finish doing my hair while I'm talking to y'all. This is a human hair wig. This is a straight wig. I washed these wigs I'm going to be showing you guys today. I washed them yesterday, probably like maybe like noonish, and I actually let them air dry overnight. So before this, I did blow dry this wig and added some heat protectant, used some hair wax, which I'm going to show you guys the blow dryer, the hair wax, and all that stuff. The heat protectant is in my storefront under wig products, my Amazon storefront. I really needed a good flat iron, like a good flat iron, and I got this one on Amazon about probably like in July, and I was like, I really need a good flat iron, not only for my wigs, but for my natural hair, like one that I know is really going to make it look good. I have this on the lowest setting right now. This comes in a smaller size. I think this is the biggest size that I saw. And so I went ahead and got the biggest size. So this is a straight lace front wig. It's supposed to have a 13x4 frontal area, and it's supposed to be 22 inches long. Okay, now I will say this wig is pretty long on me. Okay, it's pretty long on me, and to me the density, it says 150%. I definitely do think that this is given 150% because of the fact that for it to be a straight wig, it definitely feels pretty full in my opinion. And this is supposed to be Brazilian hair. Okay, it's supposed to come pre-plucked with baby hair. It does have baby hair. I am not using it. I have it pushed back in the wig, just like pushed back in the hairline, because I didn't really want to wear baby hairs today, and I don't always wear them with human hair wigs. So I blow dried it with the hair dryer brush by Revlon, and that is in the carousel. I had never used it on a wig before, like this type of wig. I had only used it on my natural hair, but I used it on a wig today. I used it on this wig, and I was really happy with the results. I felt like it blow dried this wig so fast. It maybe took me like 5 to 10 minutes to blow dry the entire wig. Now it was just damp. It wasn't like soaking wet, because like I told y'all, I let it just hang out overnight and just like air dry. But I felt like it blow dried super quick for it to be on damp hair, and like this entire long wig that's 150% density, I feel like it dried pretty well. So the wigs that we're doing today is this one, which is a straight 13x4 Brazilian lace front wig. So here is the wig. This is not glued down. Again, this is supposed to be a 13x4 Brazilian lace front wig. I'm going to use a brush and just kind of brush through the back, because I didn't flat iron all of the back, because I really was like, I'm just concerned with the front. Now I did go in and put some heat up here in the top too, to get it to lay how I wanted it to lay. And you guys, I am really just so happy with how this turned out, because I have a lot more experience with synthetic wigs than human hair wigs. I have a lot of experience with human hair wigs, but I've definitely tried way more synthetic wigs than I have human hair wigs. And I'm just taking this this wax stick. But like I was saying, I have tried way more synthetic wigs than I have human hair wigs. And human hair wigs, you know, you a lot of times have to style it more often to your liking. But again, there's perks to that, because you have longevity, like it lasts longer a lot of times compared to synthetic wigs and stuff like that. But I'm just so happy with my progress in styling human hair wigs. I feel a lot more comfortable than I did maybe like a few years ago, so I'm really happy about that. So here's the wig, y'all. I think it looks really good, and you can see like this is the blow dry part. I didn't like flat iron everything, but this is all the hair to the front. Okay, this is all the hair to the front. And to me, it's giving full. Like, this looks pretty full in my opinion. Okay? It looks pretty full in my opinion. And then here's the other side, all the hair to the front. I think that flat iron did really well. Okay? Now, I did not add any powder to the parting area or anything like that yet. I didn't glue it down or anything. I just wanted y'all to see like what it looks like styled after you wash it and all of that. So I'm going to give you guys a 360 view. I wanted to show you guys these wigs. So here's the front. I think it looks really good. Here's the right side. Okay, we'll move all the hair to the back so you guys can see the back. Okay, here is the back. I have a black cap under this and I have a wig grip, so it might look a little more full in the top because I have a wig grip and a wig cap on with this. Okay, make sure you guys can see that. Okay, here's the left side. I think it looks really good. So if you guys have questions, let me know. Here's the first wig. We're gonna talk about the products I used on this, and then we're gonna like move on. Here's the flat iron that I use. Like I told you guys, they have different inches that you can pick from. This is the larger one. This is the, let me see, it's the 1 1/4 inch, I believe. Like I said, they have 0.75 inch, they have 1 inch, 1 1/4. I mean, they have like different kinds. So this is what it looks like. It has like this little clamp that will hold the flat iron together, and then you just push it up to open it up. It has on and off, and then it has different temperature features. It goes from 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Fahrenheit. I flat iron this entire wig on the lowest setting, so I mean that's pretty hot. This thing gets pretty hot in my opinion. And then it has the on off button, so that is that, and that's what I use to flat iron. This is the powder that I use on my wigs, and I have it highlighted now. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder, and I use the shade 355, which is coconut. So I'm just gonna take some of that and apply it right here in this little hairline area. So I'm going to take this, just use like a little makeup brush. I use a pointed one or angled one, and I'm just going to go right in the parting and just kind of open that up a little bit, because I did repart this wig, so this part has had no powder in it when I styled it today. And you could definitely pluck the part if you wanted to, but I am okay with how it's looking. So that's how it's looking now. Okay, just gonna slide that out the way, and that wax stick really got this wig all the way together, as far as like me setting the part and kind of like getting the wig to lay the way I wanted it to lay. That wax stick definitely helped a lot. So as you can see, that kind of like opened it up a little bit more. Looks a little bit more like, yeah, that part looks way better with the powder in it. I like that. That looks so good. So that's the powder you got. And this wig came with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Here's a look at the construction. Okay,